everyone, it's Leanna from Love Learning with Leanna. Today I'm going to be bringing you a tutorial on how to upload TPT digital products in your Google Classroom. It can seem really daunting once you purchase a digital product, especially for the first time. So today I'm going to be able to show you a step-by-step process. Today I'm going to be splitting my screen. So on one side you'll see Google Classroom and then the other side you'll see Teachers Pay Teachers. I'm going to go ahead and click into my sample class and then go to Teachers Pay Teachers. This is my Purchases and Downloads tab within my TPT. I'm going to go ahead and download what I purchased, this digital science assignment, and I'm going to open it up in the file that it downloaded, or the folder that it downloaded it to. I'm going to go ahead and click open that file by double clicking it, and there are many files in here. Please do not be overwhelmed. Go ahead and find the file that says start here, or there might only be one page that will have a link. This one has many pages, but if you can see, this is the file that says start here, and it says this is the order in which you would open up these lessons, 1, 2, 3. And so Unit 1, Structures and Properties of Matter, is the very first thing I should be opening up. And I find it right here, and I'm going to go ahead and click it open. That's the title page, and these are the instructions, how to use the product. Many TPT products usually come with this page, so look for it. And in this page, there is this very important link that it's going to and that's the link, so I'm going to go ahead and click it. And I need to log on to the Google Classroom email associated. So mine is my work email, so I'm going to go ahead and log on. And this page comes up. I'm going to go ahead and save the password. Copy document. You always have to copy the document because you cannot work in the document that they uploaded. So go ahead and make a copy. Click that blue link, and this is going to be your copy. Change the title to whatever you would like. I always delete copy of, and I create some spaces, make it look presentable. This is how it will be saved. And make sure your own personal drive is organized. That way, wherever you move, so right now I'm moving it to a folder where it stays permanently. Because once you start uploading, so I'm going to create a folder that says 5th grade matter. And so in this folder, this is where this file will stay, will remain for the entire time, because I don't want to change this location at all. And we'll get into that more later. But if you click in this file, you'll notice that the creator of this resource made it so the only thing that you can manipulate or move is the text, where you write the text. It's really great so our students don't get to mix the lines or the circles or even the directions or the words. That remains as an image that's linked to this document, but the only thing that you can change is the text, as you can see. So the text, when I say that, it's where the students are to write in their answers. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that. Okay, let's see. So once I exit, I can exit out of TPT because I already have what I need. And I can even exit out of this because I've already made a copy. And now I have access to that copy, and that's all I really need. So go to your classroom into the classwork tab, and you're going to be creating an assignment. But first, let's create a topic because we want to stay organized. So Science Matter is what I'm going to title my topic, but you can make yours whatever you'd like. Now you're going to be going into your assignments and create a title. This is what I purchased, is a digital notebook. So I'm going to be titling it, What is Matter? Digital Notebook. And the instructions is for your students to be able to read. So I'm going to be writing, this is going to be your digital notebook for this class, and whatever other instructions that I'd like for them to know. You can add as much or as little as you'd like. The students don't care to read 3 paragraphs worth of instructions, so make sure you keep it very clear and concise. And you can, this is a great place to also include sentence frames if you wish to do so. Okay, once the directions are done, go ahead and set a time or date you'd like this assignment to be due. If it's a week-long assignment, make sure you mark it so. And the topic, make sure you put it in the Science Matter section. And if you have periods, you can assign it to whichever periods. But you have to, before you assign it, go to this little paper clip and click on Google Drive. And the assignment that we're going to be uploading is this one right here that we saw, Matter. And here in this section, you can actually make a copy for each student because we want every student to mark their own answers, and this allows them to do so. So go ahead and assign it. Okay, so once you click that assign button, you are pretty much set. I hope you found this helpful, and good luck. Okay, so that's that. I hope I made it easy for you to be able to follow. Please let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions or concerns, or even requests for any other tutorials. Stay safe, everyone. Love you.